In this video, we are going to fix 0x80072f76 Windows Update error. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to reset the Windows Update components. How we can do that, I want you to copy the code that I have provided in the YouTube description. This one, you need to copy and paste that to the notepad. Once you have pasted here, click on the file, proceed to the saved as, and then please put the name in it. So let's say, for example, I want to name Netflix update. Okay. So make sure that you have typed the name in the net. And after that, please add an extension for .bat. Okay. Then select the desktop as your location and then click on saved and then close this window. Once you have closed this one, proceed to the desktop and select the .bat file that you have created. Make a right click and then click on Run as Administrator. So once you have clicked on it, you can now start the procedure. Please wait until this process would be finished. And once you have done this one, you need to restart your computer. And once you have restarted it, try to run the Windows update again and check if it's working. Okay? However, if not, then you need to close this window and proceed to the next solution. And our next solution would be we need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that? Here at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Settings. Now at the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane. Please proceed to an option called System. Click on it. And under the system settings, you need to scroll down, find for an option, which is the troubleshoot. Now click on it. And next is to go with other troubleshooters. And under the most frequent, proceed to Windows Update and click on Run corresponding to it. Wait until this procedure would be finished. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. And once you have done it successfully, you need to run the Windows Update again and see if it's working. However, if not, then you need to move on to the third and last solution, and that is to check for file corruption. How we can do that? Here at the search box, please type for CMD. Once you have typed the CMD, you need to wait until you can see a best match, which is the command prompt system. And from that, you need to navigate here at the right side where you can see an option called Run as Administrator. Once you've seen it, click on it directly. And then if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So from that, please type for SFC space / scan now, SCANNOW, and then click on the enter key in your keyboard. Wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you have done this one, it will take 5 minutes or more than that. It would depend on your machine. Please wait until it would be finished. And once you have done it, you need to restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to run the Windows update again and see if it's working. Okay? Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.